Ingolstadt. I assume this is the central square. I think behind me is the town hall, and I've arrived. The Rathers. I've arrived just as the wedding seems to be coming out. It's a Friday afternoon. Strange time for a wedding, but hey ho. One of the things Ingolstadt is famous for is Audi. They are the home of Audi. I might go on the Audi tour later. Oh, wedding car. I'm not sure, it's a couple of hours looking at how a car's made. I'm not sure if that's me or not, but we'll see how the town goes. I've got time. Just in case there are any locals watching the video, alright, I've established that's the old town hall. It seems to be where the weddings are coming from. There's at least 2 brides up there. And that's the new town hall. A bit more modern. No weddings. There's some sort of event on, this is fake, not fake grass, it's real grass, really wet. There's a water feature for the kids to play with, and then there's a beach area for the kids to play with as well. And I'm surrounded by these really dodgy palm trees. I know I can't speak German, but look at that for a title. No idea what that says. Down by the river, looks like they've got a solar system model. So you've got Mars, Mercury, I presume one of these is Venus, the Sun, Earth with our dimensions, and then the rest of the planets off in the distance. Jupiter and Uranus. To my mind, the scales are wrong. I plotted these at school, and I'm pretty sure that this is not the correct proportion in distance. I think it's all wrong. Anyway, I'm on the way to Battery 94, whatever that may be. Right, Battery 94. Looks like it's called a bar name now, but obviously looks like it's the edge of the fort with a moat. I can assure you it's a bit smelly. I'm afraid I don't know anything about the history. It's clearly a defensive position. Slightly better view from this side. It's quite long and thin by the look of it. I'm not sure if this is a thing, a black swan. Assuming I'm just not good with my identification. But it looks like it's coming for me, that one, doesn't it? Or do they just want feeding? I think it's a nice place for a bar, although by the water, although I have to say the water does not smell nice. The opposite is Fort 94, according to the book. Again, it looks like it's on the edge of the moat. Not much to see from the ground, unfortunately. So coming through the west gate. Oh, this is a bit more what the town looks like. Go this way. Now, one of the reasons I wandered down to that horrible canal position was to come into the town from this side. Now, I'm within the walls of the city, but as you can see, I'm alone pretty much. This isn't a touristy area. This isn't a shopping area. This is just where people live, and you get to a real feel for the place, which is quite nice actually. I'm hoping, there we go, there's a church, that's what I was looking for. Pretty impressive. Right, I'm gonna... Whoop, I just tripped over. Right, try not to get hit by the Audi. There's an entrance gate to the town there.